Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to construct the equilateral triangle. Alright, we'll be looking at the second method of how to construct an equilateral triangle. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw our T-square line, which is the base. It's our construction line, which you could say is like a guideline. Now we're going to measure 130 millimeters. I'm going to label A first, and then I'm going to measure 130 millimeters. Alright, so I'm going to insert the measurement so that you can follow along. So this measurement is 130 millimeters. You can use a ruler to draw this line if you want. So put on draw the dimension line. And this is 130 millimeters. Alright, now the property of an equilateral triangle, the base, all the angles will be 60 degrees. So we're going to use our compass to construct a 60-degree angle. So compass at A, any radius, we're going to mark an arc to intersect the baseline. That point, let's label it 1. From 1, we're going to mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, we're going to label that 2. The line drawn from A to the intersection of 2, that is a 60-degree angle, okay? So we're going to take our ruler and we're going to draw a line from A through the intersection. We're going to put the compass at B, any radius, and we're going to mark an arc from B. So mark an arc. From point 3, we're going to mark another arc equal using the same radius. And where the two arcs intersect, we're going to draw a line from that intersection through from B, and that will be the 60-degree angle. So get our ruler, and we're going to draw this line going through the intersection. This point would be C, where the two 60-degree lines intersect, that would be C. I'm going to darken the triangle. So from C, I'm going to darken AC using a pencil and the ruler, or your set square if you have one. I'm going to erase this line. All right. I'm going to darken. We're going to indicate the angle, which is 60 at B, 60 degrees. We're going to indicate, we're going to label the angle at A, which is also 60 degrees. So we are constructing an equilateral triangle. Yes, this angle would be 60 degrees at C. We're going to label it drawing now. So we draw our guidelines. So we're going to label the drawing. So to construct a triangle given the two base angles and we need another set of guidelines so we can write between these guidelines. And the distance of the base AB. So AB was 130 millimeters, and the two base angles were 60 degrees, and we draw an equilateral triangle. So this is our completed drawing. Thanks for watching. CAD with Mr. U. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the equilateral triangle, and we use the two base angles, which are 60 degrees, to construct this equilateral triangle. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of triangles. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.